think it starts by understanding that there's been some significant change in diesel engine technology over the past 5 to 7 years. And those changes have really focused on two areas in the engine. One is the fuel system, the other is the exhaust system. And the reason for those changes is because there's been an attempt to reduce emissions coming out of the tailpipe, as well as increase efficiency within the engine. When we talk about fuel and exhaust systems, it's important to understand that those are very interrelated. They work in close concert with one another. And when we have problems in one, it can result in problems in the other, and vice versa. Problems with the fuel and exhaust system can lead to bigger issues down the road. If you're noticing reduced power or reduced efficiency in the engine, it could be an issue with your fuel or exhaust system. So take a moment, be proactive, check those things out. If those things aren't addressed early, they could lead to downtime, and nobody has time for that. Yeah, there's three things that are pretty easy to diagnose. The first would be excess exhaust. If you're seeing excess exhaust out the tailpipe, that can mean that there's a problem with your injectors. If injector deposits start to form, this is going to lead to an inefficient burn of fuel, and you're going to lose fuel economy. The second would be sooty exhaust. If you notice the soot content in your exhaust increase or darker exhaust start to be emitted from the tailpipe, this can indicate a problem with your fuel filter. Fuel filter is a really important element of your fuel system because it prevents contaminants from entering the fuel system. If those contaminants get in, it's going to degrade your fuel, it's going to lead to power loss and filter plugging. The third issue is increased regens. Now, regenerating is something that occurs naturally in the diesel engine. It happens when your DPF or diesel particulate filter needs to be cleaned. But if that increases in frequency and it's happening too often, it indicates an issue in the fuel system, and it's important to get that checked out right away. Diesel engine technology has advanced tremendously in the past 5 to 7 years. It's really important that you're using a fuel specifically designed to address those technological advancements. Cenex Premium Diesel Fuel, whether it's Cenex Roadmaster Excel for on-road application or Cenex Ruby Fieldmaster for off-road application, are specifically designed to keep your fuel and exhaust systems clean. It contains a robust package of additives like injection stabilizer, which is going to keep those injector deposits from forming, advanced detergency package, which is going to keep your filters clean, and cetane improver, which is going to lead to a more efficient burn of fuel and quicker starts. If you have any questions about Cenex Premium Diesel Fuel and how it can help your equipment run better, please contact your local Cenex fuel distributor or dealer, and they can answer any additional questions that you might have.